There's just something magical arriving in a new city at the crack of dawn. I'm a little tired, not gonna lie, but I cannot wait to explore Seoul.
Finally got onto the bus after nearly 3 hours in the airport.
We decide to hop on the bus towards Incheon to explore a little bit of this small city while we wait for Airbnb. Immediately, the architectural design of these towering structures really stand out, and here's some shot of what I got. Lunch was in Holly's Cafe, cozy little spot beside the park's lake. You know, apparently they say it's the closest thing in Korea has to New York's Central Park. Not that I know, never been to New York. Maybe one day. And as the day ends, we make our way to Sinchon. It reminds me a little bit of SS-15 Subangjaya just because it's buzzing with students, which also means budget-friendly dinner at this tonkatsu place. It's unfortunate because she really wanted that dinosaur. Breakfast at Mom and Pop's shop, 2 bowls of mihun kueh and a rice roll, simple and satisfying. Stopping by Starfield Mall before we head to Suwon. The books are all real in each of those slots. This is how cool it is. Oh yeah, I found a few photo opportunities. Though I got to say, it was quite a cultural shock seeing dogs roam freely in this mall. We filled up at Palace and Cafe, cozy little cafe on the 2nd floor with a view of the Jangnam-mun main gate. More Korean drama location hunt, and this is one of it. Reply 1988. And then of course we have to climb up Hwasong Fortress. And apparently this art shape belongs to a popular K-drama. Know of it? Drop it in the comments down below. We made it all the way to the top. Hmm? At night, ending the day with a crispy fried chicken and beer at Jinmi Chicken for a total of about 24,000 won. After that, we were actually lucky enough to find ourselves at a yearly event that's held here, with lights and projection shows that they tell stories about this place through abstract animations. I'll speed things up a little bit here, but let me know if you want to see the full thing. And the next
Fingers
morning
crossed.
we find ourselves at King's Nice Bike Sir. And in this building is apparently a parody that plays on Harry Potter and its Wizarding World. Can't really use Harry Potter as its name though, because copyright and all that. But this is how it looks like inside. So enjoy. So the gimmick is that on every floor they have different kind of themes, and we are on the floor of death. Oh, and that's the beer there. It's good. It's a little bit pricey, just take note of that. Quiz time at another Korean drama location. Anyone know what drama this is? Put them down below.
Remember to drink your water because the tree also is drinking water. It's right here, as you can see there. So remember to hydrate, drink your water.
And refilling at one of the smaller bibimbap locations before we head off to a cafe area that is very close by to a waterfall. It's a little bit disappointing, unfortunately, because this is it actually, and social media versus reality. So some b-roll of a church in the background because I really want to tell you guys about this story. We stumbled upon on a park and we decided to end our day right here, but apparently we walked into a light festival, a yearly thing that they have between the Japanese, the US and the Korean team, I suppose, that they have this every year. And yeah, as you can see, it's very far away. I think I have got a on the spot impression. I'm gonna let my past self tell you.
So we thought we could see nice fireworks, but in turn, everyone here is trolled. We thought it would be here, like somewhere right here, but apparently not. And now our dinner to keep us warm is this ramen. We could still see a little bit of that there.
So we decide to, take our leave, a little bit disappointed, but so yes, ladies and gentlemen, we decide to walk across the Han River on the bridge because buses were stuck in there because of the amount of people there. But this really surprised us. We stood there for quite a while, really just experiencing this whole show. I'll let you guys enjoy this. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we end our chapter here. Catch us again in the next one where we head over to Jeju. Thank you all. Subscribe and all that jazz. See you in the next one.